Yeah. Hello, Jiju.
Swara, when did you come? And where is Ria?
I came a little while ago. Sister had gone to market. She will come by evening and I will take care of you till evening.
Hey, why will you take care of me? You are our guest. I'll take care of you.
You don't take care of me.
Are you okay?
No, I am not okay at all.
Tell me, what happened?
I am in love with you.
Are you mad or what? You already know that I'm your sister's husband. I'm your brother in law.
Yes, I know. But still, I feel I am in love with you. Despite knowing everything, I am in love with you, but you're not listening to me.
You stay away from me. And if Ria comes to know this, then she'll never talk to you again.
Really? And who will tell her?
I'll tell her.
Why? You don't like me.
You are good. You're very good. But I have never seen you like that.
Really? So now see?
I don't want to see you. Neither yesterday nor today. I don't want to see you ever again.
What is it? All the brother-in-laws of the world are after their sister-in-laws. And I'm after you and you're keeping me away.
I have nothing to do with this world. I only know myself. For me, you are my wife's sister. Apart from that, I don't think anything. And you shouldn't think either, no?
But I think, from the beginning I consider myself as your half-wife.
What nonsense are you talking?
I'm not talking nonsense, I'm saying the truth. From the beginning I consider myself as your half-wife. You don't know about that phrase? Sister-in-law is like a half-wife. So that's why?
That man was the worst man in the world who wrote this saying. He must be a man who wrote this saying for his own benefit. Thank God he didn't write that brother-in-law is half-husband. When a husband's brother can be like a son, then why wife's sister is half-wife?
Brother-in-law, when I don't have any problem, why are you having problems?
Because I love your sister. And I can never think of cheating her. Instead of cheating her, I'll prefer to die.
You love her so much?
Yes. And you stop talking nonsense in front of me. This will be right for all of us. Otherwise, if your sister finds out I told her, then she won't talk to you in her life and you will fall in her eyes forever. So, just end all this here. Till your sister doesn't come, I'll wait outside.
Wow, sister, I accept. Brother-in-law loves you so much. I told you, na? Your brother-in-law loves me so much. And except me, he can't think about anybody else. You said it right. Now come, let's go and tell him all the truth. Sanju.
Ria? You were here?
Yes, I was inside and I heard everything from my ears.
But she was saying that you went to the market?
Actually, what happened? Swara was telling me about her friend. Her husband cheated her with his sister-in-law. She was telling me, all men are same. They get one chance and they cheat. I told there is nothing like that. All men are not same. And my husband is not like that at all. She was not able to believe me. So to make her believe, just for fun, I took your small test. Yes, Jiju, I'm so sorry. But today I accept. Not every man are same.
Ria, to make someone else believe, you took my test of love and trust.
Sanju, I had complete trust on you. I was just...
What, Ria? What? Huh? You put our relationship at stake to make someone else believe? What would have happened if your relationship had broken today?
I knew that. You won't break my trust.
If your trust would have broken, our house would have also broken today.
I was sure that you won't do anything like that, from which we will spoil our relation or I'll get hurt.
But I never thought that you will do this.
I'm so sorry, Sanju. I won't do this again. I never thought you will feel so bad. And I know that you love me so much. I also love you so much. Please, forgive me for my first and last mistake. Yes, Jiju. I'm so sorry. We never wanted to hurt you. But today I'm feeling so proud that my Jiju is different from everybody. I'm pulling my ear, sorry.
It's okay. This shouldn't happen again, okay?
Yes, really promise. Please forgive me. No one should cast an eye on this couple.
But you will cast evil eye on us.